Okay, so this is the HTC Sensation. It's running a 1.2 gig dual-core processor from Qualcomm. We have a QHD screen, 4.3 inch. It has, which means it's 960 by 540 resolution, which gives us a proper 16.9 resolution when we're watching movies. It has a unibody back chassis. We've got an 8 megapixel camera with a dual LED flash in the back, and we also have a VGA camera in the front for video recording. It's designed to be curved and sculptured in the hand, so the back chassis flows round nice and cleanly. The front screen actually curves in, so you can see that, which protects it obviously, but makes it feel very nice in the hand. It uses Gorilla Glass as well, so it's nice and tough. Never say things are indestructible, because they're not. You've got, obviously, we've got dramatic developments in HTC Sense on the device. You'll notice the screen looks very different to a normal one. We have an active lock screen, which I need to switch this down a bit. You can control this ring here, which lets you unlock the phone and takes you in. We've got a lot of 3D animation in there, which looks really nice. So as you can see, different parts there, loads of new widgets, one of them being Watch, which I'll come back to in a second. And one of the nice things as well, you'll notice when you go round, you end up all the way round now, rather than just off to your 7 home screens, you can scroll all the way back round. If we are off to one side, and you decide to go home, you'll see it animates back to where it goes. We can also, if you do the pinch, you can see you can change your screens as well, but you can see just how nice the animation is. There, how controlled. So really, really nice. A couple of things that I wanted to show you. So if we go back to our lock screen, the idea in the active lock screen is I can take one of these icons here and launch the phone straight away. So that's me into the camera. We have, like I say, 8 megapixel camera. We have a thing called instant capture. Now it's getting messed about slightly with the lights obviously in here as it's focusing. But basically when I press the button, it takes a picture pretty much straight away. Very, very clever. So it means that you're not sitting waiting and missing the kids running off to one side as usual. So nice. We go into galleries. You've got the ability in here now as well to mess about with your images a wee bit more. So obviously we've got a nice video running there. We can actually trim that and modify that. So it opens it up and we can pick frame by frame pretty much what we want to create. Okay, and then view it, decide if we're going to trim it. Cool, quite like that. Important thing to show you obviously is HTC Watch. Now you saw there I've got a widget that lets me dive into it. I've got a shortcut in my home screen. HTC Watch is a whole video download system that enables you to download and view movies on your device. Now if you look here, we can just go in and sit and pick one there. Now this will just view me the trailer at the moment. I could choose to go in and purchase this. The trailers can be viewed over Wi-Fi or 3G. But to actually download the movies, they'll come down over wireless, okay, because obviously they're a lot larger. Nice, neat and easy, excellent quality there as well. And I can jump out of that and back to where I was. Now this will let me see my basket as well, so you can pick what you want. You can buy or rent the movies. You don't need to actually buy them, you can just rent them. If you buy them, obviously they are DRM protected. You can view them up to 5 suitable devices. So if you've got, say, an HTC Flyer, you can sit and view them on that quite happily as well. If you rent, you view them on the device that you've rented them. So quite cool. Okay. Any other questions?
No, I think that's fine.